everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming my nighttime skincare routine. Super excited to take off this makeup. So I'm gonna tie my hair back first. Honestly, taking off my makeup is my favorite part of the day. Putting on / taking off, I don't know. But the first thing I like to do is rip off these lashes. Ooh, best part. I like to take a makeup wipe, take off my makeup. The ones that I like to use are the Equate cleansing and makeup removing wipes. They have chamomile and vitamin E. And these ones are super cheap. They're from Walmart. And I believe like you get a 5-pack and each pack has 60 in them. So you get a good amount. I just take 1 to 2 wipes and I just start wiping off my makeup. Whew. One done. Okay, so as you can see, that got off the majority of the makeup. The next thing I like to do is start cleansing my face. So I like to use the Clinique liquid facial soap, and I use the dry combination one because I have dry combination skin. I like to use it with my Foreo Luna. I believe this is the Luna one. I'm gonna list everything that I've used down in the description as always. So yeah, I like to wet it first, and I put 1 to 2 pumps of the soap right onto the device, and I'll kind of just spread it around my face first, and then start it. And I like that this soap gets all sudsy because then I feel like it really makes it feel like it's really working. I like to wet it a little bit more. Okay, now that my face is all cleansed and it feels really clean, I like to take a toner. I use the Clinique clarifying lotion, but again, it's the dry combination one. It's a twice-a-day exfoliator. But I tend to only use it really at night. Actually, no, I use it in the morning and the night, depending on what I want to do. I just take it on a cotton pad like this. And I pump a couple pumps onto it, and I just start doing circular motions on my forehead, my cheeks, my lips. Oh, this pimple on here, so bad. Anyways, I use the Dermalogica Age Bright Clearing Serum, and I kind of just squirt all that on my face. 1 drop there, 1 drop on my cheek, and 1 drop on my forehead. And I love these Dermalogica products. I really feel like it's made such a difference in my skin. It's the overall evenness, the overall texture, just everything about it. It's really, really good. I bought the Dermalogica that comes in the 3-pack. It comes with the Daily Micro Exfoliant, the Age Bright Clearing Serum, and an Age Bright Spot Fader. I bought it twice now. Like, that's how much of a difference I see in my skin. So, and honestly, the full size of Dermalogica things are very, very expensive. So I like to just buy like little samples so you get more out of it. And I feel like it's really made a difference in my skin. So after the, what was that? After the serum, I like to go in with my moisturizer. So I like to use the Palmer's Skin Success Anti-Dark Spot Fade Cream for dry skin. And I've been using this since, I want to say high school. Like, I've been using this for a really, really long time. I just put it all over my skin. As you can see, a little trend going on. Everything is for evenness and to take away like the hyperpigmentation and stuff in my skin, because those are the problems that I see. So I just want to make my skin look more even. So with the moisturizer, I do the Palmer's Eventone Correcting Face Oil, and it has vitamin E in it. I think I just put it all over my face. Because my skin is dry, I like to use an oil at night to really moisturize my skin. And this combination of moisturizer and oil just makes my skin super hydrated throughout the night. And I don't wake up with dry patches, which is nice. I put it all over my eyes, everywhere. Okay. I like to put it down my neck too, just to, you know, make sure everything is proper. And then the last thing I like to do is put on a little eye cream. I'm using the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye. And always use your ring finger when applying eye cream, because the skin underneath your eyes and around your eyes are the most delicate and the thinnest part of your skin. So just put that all around. And honestly, the trick or a little hack that I do, I never buy my eye creams in full size. Like, I always get either a sample from Sephora or the deluxe samples, because eye creams, like, so much comes in it and you really only need a little bit. By the time you run out, you can just go get another sample, child. You never need to buy a full size. So that is it for my nighttime skincare routine. Super easy, super simple, super fast, just a couple products. I like to just get it off. But yeah, if you guys want to see more videos from me, please stay tuned. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.